What's up, everybody? Wolfhead Brony here, and today I'm gonna be doing a short reaction. ForgaLorga. ForgaLorga came out with a video 2 weeks ago called Best Princesses Ever. It's two best princesses, Luna and Celestia. Comment down below which is the best princess out of Luna and Celestia. I had to think about this for a while because I was like, I love Celestia, but Luna's personality is so good. And then I was like, you know what? Even though Luna doesn't have an ass, I think I'm Team Luna Republic. Like, I love Luna so much. I love how naive she can be and still be serious. Where Celestia just comes off kind of as a bitch sometimes, which is also entertaining to see. But I like Luna more than Celestia. All I know is that with ForgaLorga, his comedy is all like timing based, and like they don't really talk to one another. There's no talking going on in a ForgaLorga video. It's all the comedy is like timing and visual. So I'm really like interested to see that. So without further ado, take a sip of my coffee out of my ridiculously giant coffee mug. Let's get this video started. 3, 2, 1, go. Luna's over here doing princess stuff, eating cubes of chocolate. Celestia, we already know it's you. How do you eat all of them that fast? You are so fat. You have a problem. How do you not have diabetes? Nice mustache, Celestia. You've been growing that one out for a while. Moon raised. What? Why? Why? Celestia, what? Yes. Yes, we know. We know you exist. Luna's like, all right, then Celestia. Don't freaking flex your eyebrows at her. Oh, it's Eclipse. Starlight is like, can you knock it off? Thank you, God. Some of us are trying to sleep over here. What you painting, Sally? Just painting some... What? Bowls of cake! I'm done! I'm done! That's it! Just poofed her over there to get her opinion on bowls of cake. Everyone loves Luna. Alright, this is a callback. Nobody loves Celestia. I mean, why not? You did it to Twilight, might as well do it to a random background pony, I suppose. What? Celestia, don't. Luna saw it first. I was just about to say, are they vibrating like Nokia phones, right? Oh my God! Luna's like, you know what? Just have it. I don't even care. Just have it. You greedy bitch. That's right. Sleeps sitting up like a parrot. Or like a bird or something. I don't even think that's how birds sleep. I don't know what I'm talking about. She's going in her dream. So it's a dream about her sleeping. Unless she has like a dream barrier. So that Luna can't get in her dreams. Okay. Alright. It's a fort made out of cakes. 40 keks. Luna's like, you might actually have a problem. What are y'all mad about this time? Pillow fight? Pumph! Oh, I was really wanted to hit her. Pumph! Right on the snoot. Okay, that was a smart joke. I like that. I like that joke a lot. It didn't make me laugh, but I understood it. That's a smart joke, ForgaLorga. You just put out a Halo gun, like not a Halo gun, but like a portal gun, and I'm talking and I didn't see it. I can't rewind. I'm sorry. What are you doing? No hugs. No hugs. Poof. Starlight, get out of here. With your multiple wings. I've had enough of you. Oh my god. So, news just in, ForgaLorga is still funny as hell. That was great. I love that. I love that. The Celestia cake jokes know no bounds. Celestia, would you like a piece of cake? The answer to that question is always going to be yes. Thank you for joining me. My name is Wolfhead Brody. I stream video games, and I'm playing XCOM, and I rap, and I think I do something else, but I always forget the last part. Don't forget to sub. Don't forget to like the video. ForgaLorga is still hilarious. I'm out. Peace.